welcome back to another episode of Almost Barbaric. As you can see, we have a new face. Everyone talks about their mom on Mother's Day, and you know, I'm just lucky enough to have two. So, this is Mama, obviously, as you know, and that is I. So, I have two moms, and today we're going to have a little chat about our life and how we have grown this bond and all of that, and I hope
along with two moms.
Yeah, how I've grown up with two moms, and I think it's fun, and I think we haven't had this conversation ever. So today the three of us are sitting and talking about stuff. So I just want to get started by asking you guys one question: is that what is the earliest memory you people have of me?
Related with what?
अरे कुछ भी
कुछ भी मतलब मैं एक fun बताती हूँ. You know, I had come from Goa and I had some packing stuffs, and so I unpacked it. So it was a very small cardboard ka box. Ayu bought you and made you sit inside the box and packed you. And then you came out, and then she said me, see, there's a special gift, and you came out of the box. Ah!
Was I a surprise for you?
Yes, very much. जब मैं पार्लर से आती थी, सैलून से आती थी, और जब भी मैंने तेरे को देखा है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तेरा एकदम ब्रॉड स्माइल, जिससे मेरी पूरी थकान दूर हो जाती थी. आई यूज्ड टू गो फटाफट स्नान करने का, बिकॉज वो एक था कि भाई नहीं बच्ची है, हाँ चाइल्ड है, उसको ये और तू हम लोग की लाडली, बिकॉज आफ्टर 6-7 years के बाद तू बॉर्न हुई थी, तो हा पूछो मत कितनी मेहनत. तो वो फर्स्ट वर्ड जब तूने मुझे आई बोला, बस दैट मोमेंट आई बिकम अ आई, एंड इट इज अ वेरी बिग ट्रेजर फॉर मी.
But so like you said, I called you Aina. So like I was a kid and I don't remember anything.
Yes.
Right. So how was it? You know, did I do anything differently? Like how a normal kid would do to their auntie, which I didn't do. Did I do something differently, or say I could say, or what? Like, was behavioral difference?
Could
No, like, you know, since when you were born, we both were together, right? So, if like I am busy, so she's taking care of you. If she's gone to the salon, so I used to take care of you. Okay? So you never differentiated between. You never got a chance to differentiate that she's auntie and she's mom, because even she was like, you know, giving you bath, like she was feeding you, and she was taking extra care, rather more than me. She used to take care of you, so you were also very attached to her. So for you couldn't differentiate.
So the first word I called you was mama.
Yeah, you did it very spontaneously, like calling me mama, because I used to call my mom mama. So maybe like probably you called me mama, but I don't know, it's all God's grace that you were so small, you're a kid, and you suddenly called her Ayu. Yeah. And like it was very surprising. Yeah.
But even that so another thing that I would want to bring to light is that you have an elder sister also.
Yeah.
And I didn't even call her Maushi or Masi or anything like that. But she wasn't there around, but
you called her
I
mom.
still called her
Mom,
right?
Yes.
So why do you think a kid that age would have done something?
I said, no, that was something God's grace, because you called me mama, her, I, and when we asked you that why are you calling Didi, my elder sister, of course, Didi, why are you calling her mom? You just said because she stays abroad. So, and like we all started laughing. So there are many funny incidents, funny incidents and very surprising moments where you did something very, you know, miraculous things, like some surprising things. Yeah, surprising things. Yeah, you can say that. Yeah.
Like what?
With me, so Nishtha herself is a surprise for me. Frankly speaking.
ऐसे थपक के बिन बुलाए मेहमान जैसे मैं आ गई।
हाँ मीन्स जैसे मेरी
माँ बोल दिया।
हाँ बराबर ना, मेरी जैसे शादी नहीं हुई और शादी के पहले तूने मुझे माँ बना दिया। सो वो तो एक बोलते ना शॉकिंग। और जब मेरी शादी हो गई तो तेरे को बाहर लेकर जाना, तो यूज टू ऑलवेज कॉल मी आई। और जब शादी होने के बाद मेरे हस्बैंड को यूज टू कॉल अंकल। मार्केट सुपर मार्केट जाओ, कहीं मॉल जाओ तो यूज टू आई मला हे पाहिजे, नहीं अंकल आई डोंट वांट दिस। मैं बोला अरे निष्ठा अभी थोड़ी तो बड़ी हो गई, लाइक थोड़ा बहुत तो समझ रही है, तो फर्स्ट सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड में है। आई अंकल मत बोल, किसी को लगेगा हम लोग डेटिंग के लिए आएगा। लाइफ में बहुत सारे सरप्राइजेस है, बहुत सारे हैप्पी मोमेंट्स है, बहुत सारे इमोशनल मोमेंट्स है।
Yes.
मीन्स फॉर यू, लाइक अगर मैं तेरे लिए बात करूंगी तो बहुत सारी थीसिस आ जाएगी, सो बेटर आई शुड स्टॉप। बट आई फील कि आई एम अ वेरी कंप्लीट मदर। हर एक माँ के लिए लगता है कि अपना बच्चा हो, अपना बच्चा हो। बट तूने जो मेरे को प्यार दिया है, मुझे लगता है कि रियल बच्चा भी मुझे नहीं देगा। मैं वारी जाऊँ।
Coming to that, a lot of people think, मतलब a lot of women think that they need to have their own child biologically and all of that. And how was it difficult? Was it easy? Because nobody talks about it. No?
Yeah.
You are giving so much, going out of your way for somebody else. How was that journey for you?
Yeah.
And what advice would you give to people who
Don't have kids.
or something like that?
Yeah, for that I will really thanks to my sister, because ladies लोगों का बहुत नेचर रहता है क्रिटिसाइज करना, और उसमें लाइक we both were always together, means wherever, like in spirituality या हाउस फंक्शंस हो या कहीं पर भी हो, तो लाइक हम लोग दोनों साथ में तो यू आर मम्मा एंड मैं आई, वो एक फिक्स था। बट लेडीज लोगों का वो अरे प्राची ताई बहुत ध्यान रखती है, लाइक पीपल यूज्ड टू कॉल मी ताई बिकॉज आई एम द एल्डर वन। ताई बहुत निष्ठा का ध्यान रखती है, ताई उसको लेकर जाती है, ये करती है, वो करती है। सो दैट बोल्डनेस एंड दैट सेक्रीफाइस सामने सामने हो ना, तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कैरी कि अरे मेरी बेटी है, मैंने जन्म दिया, मैं उसकी माँ हूँ, 9 साल बोलते ना
9 महीने
9 महीने 9 दिन मैंने उसको संभाल के रखा है, एवरी नाउ एंड देन ताई ने ये किया। तो मैं बोला अरे ताई ने नहीं कुछ किया, ऑल क्रेडिट गोज टू हर, क्योंकि शी हैज गिवन मी फुल फ्रीडम। वो जो जब फ्रीडम मिलता है ना, तो वो बच्चा मेरा अपना हो जाता है। बट जहाँ पे तुम लोग अगर क्राइटेरियाज रखते हो, नहीं लिमिट है, ये तेरी बेटी जैसी है तो वो जैसी वाली होती है, बट शी हैज गिवन मी फुल सपोर्ट, ये तेरी बेटी ही है। सो दैट सरेंडर, सो आई शुड से थैंक्स टू माई सिस्टर, बिकॉज ऑफ हर आई गॉट सच अ ब्यूटीफुल डॉटर।
नहीं, but then she also never thought कि अरे मतलब you know कि due to some circumstances like it was too late for her to give birth to a child, so even she accepted you 100%, and that's the biggest thing. If she wants, she could have tried many new technologies that have come in science. Scientifically, she could have gone with many tests and all that. She could have got a kid, you know, but then she said ki why, like it's too late, as per my age it would be too late to deliver a baby. My sister's child is only my child, so she accepted that. So the main thing is क्या होता है ना कि लाइफ में acceptance बहुत जरूरी है. In love, in affection, if there are conditions, then you cannot love anybody.
Yes.
So neither was I possessive about you, nor was she possessive about you.
But she has given me full freedom, and that is very difficult
It's
in
because
this
I had-
society.
because I had-
because in this relatives also ना, उन लोग तुम लोग को mentally बहुत harassment करते हैं, but that to cover up and to show कि नहीं ये उसकी ही बच्ची है, so उसके लिए थोड़ा big heart लगता है, क्योंकि sisters and उसमें तुम लोग अगर compare करोगे, because most of the time ना fact है ladies लोग ही बहुत ज़्यादा compare करते हैं.
Because
then-
our both husbands were very comfortable.
Yes, very
Yeah, so it was not like I was sharing you with her. It was like you were our both kid.
Yeah,
It's like this.
Actually,
I am the lucky one.
same here.
Yes, we are also lucky.
No,
Yes.
but genuinely, like,
Yeah.
I have parts of her and I have parts of you,
Yeah.
which I have learned from and I have grown.
Yeah.
And I don't think I would have been the person that I am if I wasn't brought up by both of you collectively together.
Yes.
So that is, I think, a major part.
Emotional हो गए.
Yeah, but growing up.
Yeah.
So that, but like well said, I think, and you guys are speaking for each other, and that's something
Yeah.
fun to watch.
Yeah. So we have a great bondings with each other.
एंड जब भी तू थोड़ी सी ऐसी बड़ी हो गई, लाइक तू थोड़ी समझदार हो गई, तो यूज टू नेवर लाइक जब भी कहीं तेरे फ्रेंड्स आना या किसी कहाँ पर भी जाना, तो खुद भी बहुत बोल्ड थी, लाइक योर मॉम, लाइक यू यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज इंट्रोड्यूस शी इज माय मॉम एंड शी इज माय आई. So that boldness is also very important. And लोग ऐसे देखते हैं ऐसे.
The biggest part is from your very childhood, you never treated her like Masi.
मासी.
You never treated her like auntie. So for you, मतलब whenever we have seen you or observed you from a very childhood, you have treated me as actually a mother and to her actually as a mother.
हाँ. तो वो
Because you were behaving also.
Yeah, we were. Yeah.
सामने वाला बेचारा कंफ्यूज हो जाता है कि इसकी रियल माँ कौन है.
हाँ.
Because you used to never say मासी. फिर प्राची बोलती है.
And मतलब वो मासी में थोड़ा भी कुछ होता है, थोड़ा एक limitations होते हैं, एक restrictions होता है, कुछ boundaries होते हैं. So there was no boundaries.
Yeah, like I remember when I was in Glasgow also. Now I know your nature, you get a little scared or something. She also gets scared, but वो दिखाते नहीं. But she gets scared. मैंने ठीक है, इसको बताया तो भी क्या ही होगा. So then I was like, okay, cool. So whenever like something like a mugging thing happened to me in London, I was like, this happened. Because मुझे तो कहीं जाके बोलना, I don't have any siblings to talk about. I was like, oh, this happened. I was like, मम्मा ने सांगू नको. But then we come and tell you later.
Yes.
And then something happened कि अच्छा, now to tell you something, then I come and tell you something else.
Yes.
So something like that. If I want to talk about some random इधर उधर का,
मतलब जो उसको बुरा लगे ना लगे तो तू मेरे को बोलती थी, मुझे डर ना लगे तो
बुरा लगा. लेकिन जो बोल्डनेस वाला जैसे वो है ना कि भाई प्राची को थोड़ा बोलेंगे तो मम्मा डर जाएगी, बट आयु को बोलूंगी तो आयु थोड़ा मेरे को स्ट्रॉन्ग करेगा. हाँ ओके चलता है, लाइफ में ये अप डाउन आएगा, तेरे को फेस करना है.
like you balance each other out.
Yeah.
Yes.
So when you said that there was sharing and there was all of that, I want to ask you that not a lot of people are okay with the idea of sharing, right? So like she said, you also have that bigger hand of giving the freedom and all of that. Or was it hard?
Absolutely no.
Did it come naturally?
Absolutely no, because I used to, I had a very great feelings and respect for Tai, and means a very unconditional love as a sister. So 9 months when I was pregnant, she was totally with me, taking care of me like a mother. Though my mom was also an amazing human being, she also did a lot, but as a mother, as an elder sister, what she did in my pregnancy, like nobody would do it, that extra care and all that. So she was absolutely, like there was like 2 pregnant ladies going together.
Actually,
So, and the endless love that she always had for me, that I never thought कि कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए, possessiveness and all that, never.
And society-wise, what were the things that both of you individually, differently faced about maybe this or something else?
No, we never faced any problem because people have also started accepting us the way we are, ऐसे. मतलब there were so many incidents कि when I was not available, तो people used to say, अरे उसकी मम्मी नहीं तो क्या हो गया, ये आई है ना, आई संभाल लेगी उसको. So like people also accepted it because we were never away from you. Neither of us was away from you even for a single day.
क्योंकि तो स्कूल में भी थी तो लोगों को पता नहीं चलता था कि इसके रियल मदर कौन है, मैं हूँ या ये.
क्योंकि अगर मंडे ट्यूसडे मैं तेरे को लेने आ रही हूँ तो फ्राइडे सैटरडे ये तेरे को लेने आ रही है. It's like this.
So I have a set of questions on my phone.
Yes.
It's about me, obviously.
Yes.
So it's going to be who knows me better, just for fun, not a.
Yeah,
Yes,
of course.
Yeah, I know you all know that, but yeah, cool. So I'll ask you 5-6 questions only, just to see who is better.
Yes.
Mom is better.
Yes.
बैकफायर मम्मी जीतेगी बिकॉज मैंने तेरे को हमेशा प्यार किया था, तेरे को क्या अच्छा लगता है वो मुझे नहीं पता.
Such answers. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. First question. What is my comfort food when I am sad?
Your comfort food when you're sad. So comfort food.
There are two right answers. Whatever anyone you tell, it's fine.
When you're not in good mood. It's like when you're not in mood, basically you order from out.
What is my comfort food?
Food you are talking about, no desserts and all, huh?
Yeah,
Ice cream and all.
No, then it is a waffle. Yeah, because you're always after. You're in good mood, you eat waffle. When you're in bad mood, you eat waffle. And nowadays you're too much into dosa and all that.
Belgian waffle. This is your turn to sponsor me.
And there's maybe like pasta, dosa, burger, khichdi,
Close.
biryani,
No, she's close.
rice and dal.
ग्लासगो में वही बना
Varan bhat and waffle are my comfort food. So yes, you get 1 point.
Yay.
You have seen me cook so many times.
लेकिन मैंने बोला ना डेजर्ट, अभी तो waffle. मामा
Okay, what is one thing? What is one thing or one quality of people that I cannot stand, that irritates me? One quality.
Someone lying you,
Yes, someone like.
being too egoistic sometimes.
First one was right.
वो
I hate
हाँ
that.
वही था lying.
Good on you. Okay, now more about. If you don't know this, this means you have memory loss.
अब मैं 60s हो
No,
गई
she's
तो मैं मेरी
nervous. She's thinking that she's
Actually-
going with a shooting.
सुनो, अच्छे से सुनो. इंडिया छोड़ के, if there was any place in the world I would move to, what is that place?
It's in
Monaco?
France.
Monaco.
You are close.
Yeah.
So I am not. So मेरा
No memory loss.
No memory loss.
Either one of those two.
नहीं तू मुझे
Yeah.
पॉइंट देने वाली थी ना memory loss का.
Okay. So now you are 2-1. What is my biggest fear?
Biggest?
Fear.
तेरे को fear ही नहीं है.
इसको भी
You don't like staying alone.
नहीं नहीं.
It's not a biggest fear. Yeah,
No,
not that.
my biggest fear. जिसको भी आता है हाथ ऊपर करो.
Biggest fear.
Biggest fear.
It's a very stupid answer.
It's a very stupid answer.
Don't say rat, cockroach, this, that.
Spider.
Oh yeah.
Spider.
Yes. You are fear of spiders.
Okay. So now you both lost at that.
Yeah. Still, I'm winning.
Yeah,
Yes,
so you're-
yes.
What is my? It's a very easy question. I'm just giving you the chance
Chance.
to see if you can. जो भी जल्दी बोलेगा इसमें उसको पॉइंट मिलेगा, ठीक है?
हाँ, वो तो बोलने में एक्सपर्ट ही है.
What is my most favorite city in the world? Say fast.
Monaco
My most favorite
city.
in the world.
in the world.
Oh
In
my God.
France, no?
City.
Yeah, city I don't know,
City
but it
only.
is in France.
Not in France.
Paris.
It is my. It's not France. It's not in France.
तो नहीं बोला.
Give me the first alphabet.
M. Are you serious? Monaco is a country.
So,
City in the world. My favorite city in the world.
oh my God.
That starts with an
M. Still we don't know.
ends with an I.
Miami.
Serious?
We are blank.
It's a 6-letter word that starts with an M and ends with an I. Are you kidding me?
Kidding me?
You have both lost this challenge.
Yes.
Oh my God.
It's Mumbai.
Oh.
You said
हाँ,
other
वही तो.
than this.
India, you
No,
said.
I
Yeah.
said what is my most favorite city in the world.
Oh, so we
Oh,
focus
God.
on the word, not on India.
हाँ, actually.
I was thinking other than India.
World के बाहर है क्या?
नहीं,
अरे-
लेकिन तूने वर्ड बोला तो हम लोग
World में
we were
गए
like,
ना.
हाँ, we were
हाँ.
like thinking more of
Of course.
The moment यार.
नहीं, द मोमेंट नहीं, इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया अगर तू बोलती तो समझ में आता था. तो वर्ल्ड वर्ल्ड पे तो हम लोग वर्ल्ड के पीछे भागे.
हाँ.
वो वैसे ही होते हैं.
हाँ.
काखेत कड़सा एंड गावाला वर्षा वैसे कुछ हम लोग के साथ हो गया.
Name one of my 5 best friends.
Ah, yes, I know.
Rashish,
Hitanshi,
Hitanshi.
Rashish sister,
नेहा,
Rasalika.
रसालिका.
Who's Neha?
नहीं, रिया रिया.
Riya, yes.
Rugvedi.
And, yeah, Rugvedi.
Almost सब बोल रहे हैं. Cool. Okay, fine.
दोनों ने बोला साथ में.
ठीक है. So I am not giving any points to this game.
But I won.
Yes, yes. She got 2
So
points.
on a technicality you won.
Yeah,
Yes.
she got the 2 points.
3-2 ना अभी last में तुम.
हाँ, अच्छा.
But ये मुंबई वाला disappoint.
अरे बट तूने वर्ल्ड बोला बीच में
हाँ,
ना,
हम
तो
लोग
इसके
abroad
लिए-
it देखते रहे.
हाँ, नेचुरली यार.
तो बोल तेरा लोकल फेवरेट फूड कौन सा हमको पता है.
क्या है?
और
बड़ा पाव.
बड़ा पाव. देख साथ में बोला कि नहीं हम लोग ने.
Anyways, chalo, to end this now, what is one thing about motherhood that the two of you all learned while living life, which no book can teach? That's something I can learn from, and anybody else too. What is something about being a mother that
See, what I feel is a mother should be very open to her daughter, and not only when she is like बोलते ना जब वो बड़े हो तो हमारे दोस्त बने. नहीं, बचपन से ही वो दोस्ती होनी चाहिए. बचपन से ही मतलब though there must be the relationship should be healthy with a respect for a mother and a love and respect for a child as well.
Yes.
So I feel कि the child should also be respected, their thoughts, their feelings, whatever they come with. So I have learned that, and I feel कि we are like mother and kids relationship is like there are 2 bodies and 1 soul. But that is what a mother feels. But वो पकड़ के बैठेंगे ना तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. तो बच्चे को अपना फ्रीडम दो, बच्चे को अपना व्यूज डालने को दो. Let them express their views. Take opinions from them. I've always, when you were a small kid, I used to ask you, अगर ये मैं ऐसा करूँ तो, and I used to listen to you. So I feel कि there must be a transparency.
And yeah, same thing. You should respect your kids. प्यार करते हैं but don't give respect to kids.
हाँ.
तो वो रिस्पेक्ट आप उनको दो ताकि एंड गिव फ्रीडम. उनके विंग्स को बढ़ाओ, उनको छाटो मत.
Correct.
You बहुत बड़ा विंग्स दो. लेट देम फ्लाई. उन
Correct.
लोग को गिरने दो, उनको करने दो, उनको सब करने दो. यू डोंट से अरे मत. सी एज अ मदर, एज अ आई, मैं तेरे को यही बोल सकती निष्ठा वहां पर खड्डा है, जा मत. सुनेगी तो बचेगी. बट इफ यू विल गो ऑल्सो तो वो तेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा. माई एक्सपीरियंस वॉज डिफरेंट, मे बी योर एक्सपीरियंस इज डिफरेंट. तो मूव ऑन करने दो. आप अपने तर्क वितर्क बच्चों पर मत डालो. गिव देम फ्रीडम.
And parents are anyway always there for support. They are the support system of the children.
Yes.
So
Cool. Thank you for doing this. It was a roller coaster of an episode.
yes.
रोते हंसने लग गए. But I am so grateful for both of you, genuinely. And happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day to all the women.
All,
out there,
yes.
all the women mothers out there. There's a lot that women go through. There's a lot of sacrifice. There's a lot of learnings, ups and downs, and I can't even describe that in words because I haven't been through it myself. But kudos to everyone who's been through that, and yeah, I hope you call your mom if you haven't.
Yeah, because we miss our mom. Now she's no more with us.
Yes.
But a happy Mother's Day, mom.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day.
So yeah, thank you for watching. We hope you gain something out of this conversation, and we'll see you next time. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.